about 7:30 on September the 26th, 2013, and I'm filming in my backyard a hummingbird moth feeding on some of the plants in my backyard. I've never seen a hummingbird moth before. Read about them, but this one's actually right here. You can see it's moving its wings in rapid movement, and it goes from flower to flower, and it has a long bill that it gets nectar out of the different flowers. Is that something to see or what? Try to get close up of it. I don't know if you'll let me shoot closer or not. I'll try. That's the hummingbird moth.